Joey Strub here, Bikeman Performance. Just got done dynoing the Stage 1 tune with the Bikeman muffler. It's a 3-inch straight through. It's got a nice sound to it. You're definitely going to know what's on there. It made quite a bit more power. We went from like 261.8 to 271 with a good jump in torque too. We have tuning made for that within TorqueLink, so you don't have to send your ECU into us. We can flash it right in your vehicle with our TorqueLink app and the TorqueLink cable. So you just hook it in your PC, plug right into your vehicle, boom, it's in there. You're ready to go. That's about it. I mean, this is a great gain over stock. Stock we're running right in that 235 to 230 range. So this is a pretty substantial jump with just exhaust and a tune. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out all our stuff at bikemanperformance.com and TorqueLink. Later.